Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. I'm sitting here next to a really delightful spring ephemeral or late winter ephemeral. This is a European Cardamine. The Cardamines and the Dentarias are very closely related genera, and they might all get lumped into Cardamine if the taxonomists have their way. This one is a woodland native. It didn't come up until maybe only a month ago. Makes this beautiful floral display now, and then it'll be dormant probably by the end of April. So it's a good thing to carpet the ground around deciduous shrubs like this deciduous azalea, or between large herbaceous perennials like a big winter dormant fern or hostas that are vacant this time of year, and this will fill the ground and then allow the summer plants to come up and replace it. Wonder if it's fragrant. No, I'm not getting any fragrance. And the Dentarias and the Cardamines are in the mustard family, so they're the same family as collard greens and Brussels sprouts and all those good vegetables. And that family is now known as the Brassica family, the Brassicaceae, but the old name of the family was the Cruciferae, referring to a crucifix, because the flowers are always four-petaled, and each pair at right angles to the other pair, as a cross or a crucifix is. This Cardamine is a bit of a spreader. It's in active growth for such a brief time that I don't think it would ever be a problem in the garden, unless you were growing other small spring ephemerals. But it, again, useful where you have large parts of your flower beds that would otherwise be naked this time of year. So Cardamine quinquefolia, referring to the divided leaves that have 5 to 7 divisions. You can see that leaf. But easy to grow, shade location, average soil. Doesn't matter how dry it gets in the summer because it's dormant then. And it's here amongst several hellebores. The white ones are a hybrid hellebore, Helleborus ibergensis, but the selection is Molly's white, and this is another ibergensis, Bailey's blush. Can't keep up with all these fancy cultivar names, but add this plant to your garden. Thank you very much for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the garden.